Welcome to my channel, and here I'll be showing you how you can assemble this part together, as we are told here that we should assemble the two parts. Okay, so what you want to draw is to put this body on this body. So that's what you want to do. So I'm going to show you how you can do that with ease. As you know that these are isometric, two isometric objects, and we have to put them together to form one isometric object. You are watching my video for the first time, thank you, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Put on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you're notified, and help me share my videos with your friends who are technical drawing students. And it's very important that you practice this subject. Very important. I'm using JN Green. That is a textbook with the blue cover, and I'm on page 166 of the textbook. So I'm not going to explain dimensions, or as I'm showing you how to construct, how to put the two parts together, how to assemble them. I will also be making mention of dimensions as we have here. So let's start. First of all, we are going to draw this particular body first. So we are drawing this first, then we put this on it. So let's start. So the first that we need to do here is to draw a horizontal line. So we draw a horizontal line like this. Okay, so then we take our 30-degree set square. So we draw a line in this direction. So make sure you have enough space on this side, and also we draw a line in this direction with our 30-degree set square. So if you have the textbook with you, just open it and be following me as I'm doing it here. So we have distance from here to here to be 30 millimeters. Distance from here to here is 24 millimeters. This is 12. So that's 24. Sorry, that's 36 millimeters. It's 36, not 24. This is also 36. So, and then we have distance from here to here. So this is 20, this is 36, that's 56, plus 30 again, that's 86. And then we have 20 from here to here. So that will give us 106. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is to draw a vertical line here. So here I'll be drawing a vertical line up like this. Then I'm going to take a measurement of 36 millimeters. So this is 36 millimeters. So I'm going to draw a vertical line at this point. So draw a vertical line at this point like this. Okay, so I believe you can see the line. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to take a measurement of, I'll take 20. So I'm taking 20 here first. Then I will take 36 millimeters. So 36 millimeters. So this is 36 millimeters here. This is 36 millimeters. Then I'm going to take 30 millimeters after this. So 30 millimeters after this. This is 30 millimeters. So, and then I will need to extend this line. I'll take this line up a little bit like this. So here I'm going to draw this line. So for this point, I will draw this line in this direction. Also, I will come to this point and draw this line in this direction. Also, I will come down here. So I'll draw this line in this direction. So first of all, I want to work on this part first. So that's what I'm trying to do. So we'll draw this line in this direction. So we have that. So I will also come down here. I'll come down here and take 10 millimeters from here to here. So if you are looking at the drawing in the textbook, so you know what I'm doing here. So here I will draw a vertical line. So I will draw a vertical line from here to here. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is that, so I'll come to this point. I'll come to this point here. I'll come to this point. I will draw a line in this direction, and I will also come to this point here. I will draw a line in this direction like this. So let me show you the line that I drew there. So this line and this line, that is what I did here. So the line that I drew here is this line that we have here. Okay, so I want to form this part. Let me come down and form this part that we have here. But before that, I need to work on this part. Let me work on this part so that we can see what we have. We can bring out this shape here. So that's what I want to do. So you first of all take a measurement of 36 millimeters. So this is 36 millimeters, and I'm going to divide this into 10. That is 12 as we have in the textbook. So this is 12 millimeters. So next is So another 12, we take another 12 millimeters. So this is another 12 millimeters here. Okay, so here I'm going to draw a vertical line. So here I will draw a vertical line. Okay, here also I will draw a vertical line, and here also I will draw a vertical line. Okay, so looking at what we have here, so here at this point I'm going to draw this line. So draw a line from this point in this direction. So I will come to this point also, I will draw a line in this direction. Okay, so and then so coming down here, so also, so from this point I'm going to draw a line in this direction to meet this line. So wherever this line meets the line that we have here, I will draw a vertical line up, so which I believe you can see it now. So what I've done here now is that I brought out this shape here. So I brought out this shape that we have here. So also from this point that we have here, so I'm going to draw a line in this direction like this to meet this line. Okay, so and then I will come up here. So coming up here at this point, I will also draw a line. So draw a line from this point in this direction. Okay, so and okay, so looking at what we have here, let me bring out the shape that we have produced here on this part. Let me bring it out. So I'll make this line a thick line. So make this line a thick line like this. Okay, so this line also is a thick line. Okay, so this line is a thick line. Okay, so this line here is a thick line. Then this line also is a thick line. So this line is also a thick line. Okay, so this line will be made a thick line from here to here. And also I need to make this line a thick line. So this line also is a thick line from here to here. Okay, so then we need to make this line a thick line. So we need to make this line a thick line from here to here. So we also make this a thick line, and this line also will be a thick line from here to here. Okay, so this line we made a thick line from here to here. So also this line, so make a thick line from here to here. Okay, so we are bringing it out little by little. So I need to come here. So I make this line a thick line from here to here. Also from here to here, this line will be a thick line. Okay, so I will also make this line a thick line from here to here. Alright, so then, so coming up here, so I need to make this a thick line from here to here. So also from here to here, so make this a thick line. Okay, so the work is coming all out little by little. So let's go and walk up here. So we want to walk up here now. Let's bring out this shape as we have here. So we have that distance from here to here is 18 millimeters. From here to here is also 18 millimeters. So what we need to do now is to take a measurement of 18 from this point. So we take 18 millimeters from here. So this is 18 millimeters here. So here I will draw. So here I will draw a line. I will draw a line from this point, transfer it to the other side like this. So also then I'm going to erect a vertical line at this point. Also here also I will erect a vertical line at this point. Okay, so the height, from here to here is 20 millimeters. So from here to here is 20 millimeters. So I will take 20 millimeters here. So from here up I will take 20 millimeters. This is 20 millimeters. So I will transfer this 20. So I will take it, bring it to the front side, and I will take it to this side. From this point I will take it, so take it to this side, and I will come here also. So come in here, So I take it to this side. Then I'm going to draw a vertical line here. So draw a vertical line here. And then here also I will draw a line. So I will transfer this point to the other side like this. Okay, so I believe you can see what I've done so far. So all I need to do is to make this a thick line. So I make this a thick line, complete thick line, and this line also is a thick line. So this line also is a thick line like this. So here I will make this line a thick line. So this line also is a thick line. Okay, so this line, all right, so then this line, so will be made a thick line. So this line also made a thick line. Also this line is a thick line. So this line here also is a thick line. Alright, so you can see that we are done with this part. We are done with this part. Looking at what we have here, so we have completed this part. So we need to put this one here now. That's what I want to do now. So let's see how that will be done. So what we need to do now is that if you look at the distance from here to here, which is 36, it's also the same as what we have here, 36. It is written here, 36. And what we have here from here to here, this is also 36, this is also 36. So distance from here to here is 12, this is 12, and distance from here to here is 12, this is 12. This chain here that we have here, is this part here is entering into this, or this here, so the groove that we have here, or the hole that we have here, is entering into this. So that's how we are going to do it. So what we need to do now to fix this on this is that we are going to, from this point here, we extend, we draw a line. So we are going to draw a line from here. From this point, just take it forward like this, and you come up here also. So you take this line, you take it forward like this, and you come here also. So you take this line forward like this. Okay, that's what we need to do. So the next thing that we are going to do is that so as we have distance from here to here to be 26, so we are going to take a measure. The distance from here to here is 26. What we just need to do is so the total length from here to here is 80. So we are going to subtract 26 from 80. So whatever we get is what we are going to take its distance from here forward. Okay. All right. So what we are going to do now is to take, I've subtracted 26 from 80, and that gives us 54. So what we are going to do now is to take a measurement of 54 millimeters from here. So from here to here we take 54. So this is 54 millimeters. So here I'm going to draw a vertical line. So I will draw a vertical line like this. So and I'm going to transfer this point here to the other side. Okay, so I transfer this point to the other side, and here also I'll take this point. So I take this point to this side, and okay, so this point here I will take it down. I'll bring it down here. All right, you don't have to worry, bring out the shape. Now if we are putting this chain on this one here, so there is a part we are not going to see this line. We're not going to see this line, we'll not see this line, we'll not see this line, we'll not see this line. So I'm going to remove those lines. So I'm going to remove those lines. So I'm going to remove it since we are putting the other one on it. So I will remove this line like this. Okay. So we'll not see this. So we'll not see this line too. Okay. So this line also will not see it. We'll not see this line. Okay. We'll not see this line here. Okay. So I need to remove this. So you will not see those lines. So I've removed them. So the next thing that we are going to do now, so is to bring out this shape that we have here. So we are going to bring out this shape as we have here. So we have the distance from here to this point is 15 millimeters. Okay, so I'll just take a measurement. So coming down here at this point, I'll take a measurement of 15 millimeters here. This is 15 millimeters. So I will draw a vertical line. Here I will draw a vertical line. So I will still need to remove something, but I'll come back to that later. So I will draw a vertical line here like this. Okay, so and then so we have that so distance from here to this point is also 15. So I will come on this line here and I will take 15 millimeters down. So this is 15 millimeters. So now I can join these lines, can join these 2 points together like this. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is to transfer this point to the other side. So I will transfer this to the other side, and also this point here I will also transfer it to the other side like this. Okay, then the next thing to do is that, so let me make this a thick line at once, is to join this together like this. So if you are using your pencil to draw this, so it is easy for you to erase with your to use your eraser to remove the unwanted line. So you don't have to worry yourself if you make it a complete isometric object first, so you can easily erase it with your pencil, with your eraser. So it's very, very simple. So for me, I'm using a pen. I'm using pen so that we can see the work. That's why I'm using pens to draw. So okay, also, so we make this line a thick line from here to here, and this line also is a thick line from here to here. Okay, so then so I'm going to remove, so this part we are not going to see this part here, so I'm going to remove this line, and I'll remove this line too. Okay, all right, so those are the lines that we need to remove. So I also make this line a thick line from here to here. Okay, so I will also make this line a thick line from here to here. So this line will also be made a thick line. Okay, so this line also, so you make it a thick line from here to here. So this is how the assembly will look. As simple as I've shown it here. All you need to do is to practice. Thank you and God bless you.